Today, I am so excited because we are doing a staycation on the Las Vegas Strip's newest resort, Fontainebleau. This is a beautiful resort. As soon as you walk through the doors, you're greeted with such a pleasant aroma. It's brand spanking new, so naturally everything is refined and polished. It's evident you're in an upscale establishment. The overall essence of the property isn't what you would expect from a typical strip hotel. However, I do think that it works for them, and I'll tell you why. We're all the way on the north end of the Strip. It's a lot quieter down here and a bit more peaceful than even where Wynn and Encore are located. This is a standalone resort, meaning it's not connected or in very close proximity to any other hotels. I could see this attracting someone who wants to stay on the Strip, have all of the luxury amenities, but just be a ways away from the typical hectic nature of Las Vegas Boulevard. It's also a breath of fresh air on the north side of the Strip, really tying together Resorts World to Sahara. If you didn't already know, the original Fontainebleau is located in Miami. That one rose in 1954 and quickly became the crown jewel of Miami Beach, attracting glamorous clientele, including celebrities like Frank Sinatra. The idea for Fontainebleau Las Vegas came in 2005, and after many years of struggles and hurdles, the resort finally opened its doors in December of 2023, carrying on its tradition of luxury established in Miami. In fact, the design of this hotel draws inspiration from its Miami counterpart. When Fontainebleau first opened, being brand new, the place felt a little cold. Since then, every time I've been back, it's gotten more and more lively, really finding its place here on the Strip. It's a massive resort with so many beautiful restaurants and bars. Now, it's not going to be a place for everyone, but really, that's the beauty of Las Vegas. There's such a variety of experiences here, and there is something for everyone. I've already been to several of the dining experiences here. I've been to the food hall, and I've also been to Vita, which I very much enjoyed.
It's so good.
I'm so excited to check out more of this property today. Their pool just opened this month, and it's set to be one of the best in Las Vegas. I think what really makes this resort unique is their emphasis on health and wellness. They have a state-of-the-art fitness center with strip views all throughout and a grand spa and treatment center. It's obvious they intended to stand out from the other resorts here in Vegas by really focusing in on those elements. We booked the Gold King with a strip view. The rate for tonight was $120.75, and we did get a bit of a discount by signing up with their players card. Resort fees are $45 and the grand total was $187.93. It's very spacious, modern, and luxurious. There are so many beautiful details to this room. This particular room is 545 square feet. It's a bit larger than their standard room. We were upgraded upon a check-in for signing up with their members card. We are on the 55th floor. I am so happy we booked a strip view. I totally think it was worth it. The view from our room is phenomenal. I could look at this view every single day. One thing that I've noticed so far is that staying here is a completely different experience than visiting here, in a positive way. The casino floor is beautiful and all, but when you stay here, you actually get to experience all the luxuries this hotel has to offer. Even the hallways are just so beautiful and nice to walk through. Let's go check out their brand new pool complex. Just got back from the pool and it is breathtaking. Definitely one of the highlights of this property. The entire pool complex is huge. There is plenty of seating and the cocktail waitresses were super fast and efficient. The pools also felt heated. It's over 6 acres of space and 7 different pool experiences. There are multiple restaurants to order food from, 4 bars, and 2,300 square feet of gaming area. La Mer is a Hollywood-era themed area if you want to relax and enjoy a signature cocktail or blended smoothie. Gigi's Poolside Oasis features a Moroccan-style atmosphere and at night transforms with special events including stargazing with tents and telescopes. There is a grassy area called Bluetopia offering lawn games like giant chess and other outdoor games. For those looking for a VIP experience, the Legacy Pool offers cabanas with butler service. The main centerpiece of the deck is the Oasis Pool, featuring 3 interconnected bodies of water and the blue ice bar for cocktails in the center. Their day club, Live Beach, has also just opened. They have headliners like Calvin Harris, Tiesto, and John Summit. Overall, they did a wonderful job on their pool complex. I went ahead and ordered some room service. You order it by scanning this code on here. Every room comes with one of these. I got a black bean burger. And it comes with everything on the side, so you can just set it up yourself. We're gonna go try our luck at some slots.
Woo! You won 20 bucks.
Won a little bit of money on free play, so cool.
Overall, I think Fontainebleau is a great place for anyone who wants to experience the utmost luxury at a brand new resort, and for anyone who values health and wellness because they're going to get the most out of these amenities. Let me know if you've been to Fontainebleau and what your thoughts are on it. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe for more Vegas videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!